Today, I'm going to take you inside one of my biggest and most recent transformation projects. This is going to blow you away. Stay tuned. Hi, Garland Dabney here, real estate broker, investor, and trainer. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and click that notification bell so that you'll be informed of all of my upcoming videos. So today, guys, I'm going to take you inside one of my most recent redevelopment projects. This project was done in conjunction with my business partner, Doug Hayes of Legacy Development. What made this project so special is that the property was located in the Columbia Heights neighborhood of Washington, D.C., right down the street from our alma mater, Howard University. HU, you know. So when we first got into this project, it was a mess. The property had obviously never been renovated for a number of years. It had an old galley kitchen that was closed off with lots of walls separating the living room from the dining room. So we had to literally go in and do a full gut renovation of this property, guys. We brought in our architect to design an amazing open concept floor plan. We took the property from a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath to a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. Our design also included the addition of a huge master suite with a private bath and walk-in closet. The most exciting part of this project for me was designing the kitchen. We actually relocated the kitchen to the left side of the home for maximum exposure and went with custom gray cabinetry, quartz countertops, top-of-the-line appliances, and even added a wine bar for entertaining. This project actually came out much better than we even anticipated. As you can see, it looked incredible. What you don't know is that we actually finished this project in the height of a pandemic, which made things very, very interesting. However, the property sold in the first 2 days of being on the market with multiple offers and actually sold for above asking price. So I would say this project was a definite success. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And as always, remember to subscribe to this page, like this video, and click the notifications bell. See you next time.